So the U.S. House could vote on the measure as soon as this week, but it still has to go to the Senate, where it's not likely to emerge without some substantial changes from the House version. Out on the weather patio, a little bit brisk, and in just a minute or two, you and Matt Elwell, our morning meteorologist, are going to tell us what you found in past Cat Griz game weather. But in the meantime, we can still see our breath out here tonight.
It's a little cold out here.
Yeah.
I've got something extremely rare, and this came from a science teacher at Belgrade High School. This is called a horseshoe vortex cloud that she took a picture of over the weekend between Bozeman and Belgrade. Now, it was very windy and very warm. What causes this to develop? Well, you have to have wind shear, where you got slower winds at the surface, higher winds aloft, but it also requires a good thermal updraft, and you get a cumulus cloud that blows right over the top of that, and you get this extremely unique horseshoe-shaped vortex in the atmosphere. So these are extremely rare, mainly because they are very short-lived. So by the time you see it, get a camera out and try and take a picture of it, they usually dissipate. Tomorrow, our forecast is warming up slightly. We could see mid-30s through the lower 40s in the Butte area, and it should be a mostly dry pattern for tomorrow. Bozeman, your forecast for Thursday starts off in the chilly 20s early, upper 30s and lower 40s are likely sometime late into the afternoon. I'm meteorologist Mike Hurd.
And I'm meteorologist Matt Elwell.
We're here to talk about the history and weather events during the Cat Griz game over the last 120 years.
Wow, pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing. Let's start with the windiest game, or at least one of the windiest games, and it goes back to 1989. Take a look at this video. We've got a punt in the air, hanging for several seconds, blowing back. I expect the wind is probably around 40 or 50 miles an hour to get the football to come back that far. So that was one of the craziest plays I've seen, with wind being a big factor during that game back in 1989.
And we definitely see our fair share of crazy weather here in Montana. Yeah, the warmest temperature at MSU, that was on the 20th, 1973, 73 degrees in Bozeman here on campus. Also played in Butte, 1940, a high of 71. So we've had our fair share in the month of October of very warm temperatures.
But the coldest, well, you have to go to November, and some of the coldest games played, the coldest was 1991 at Bozeman. The MSU co-op station had a record low temperature of 12 below zero, and I believe the high that day was only 9 above. So that was the coldest game in the history of the Cat Griz games over the last 120 years.
Now, keep in mind, snow is always a big player in football games, and especially for the Cat Griz games, especially as it's moved into the month of November. 2.4 inches back in 1910 in Missoula. 2 inches fell in Missoula in 1925, 1 inch in 1916, but of course we have seen a lot of snow over the years.
Yeah, but those numbers aren't that impressive, but it's snow during the game that we remember the most, and at times it can be snow can be a big factor in the game with visibility. But the bottom of the list here is the rainiest. 11/21/1998 in Missoula, when the game was played there, Missoula picked up 3/4 of an inch of rain, and the video shows you it was just a slippery, muddy mess there in Grizzly Stadium in Missoula. So those were some of the highlights of the weather and how it's influenced the Cat Griz game over the last 120 years. Reporting at Bobcat Stadium, I'm meteorologist Mike Hurd.
And I'm meteorologist Matt Elwell.
For MTN Sports?
Sure.
My first sports report in probably 30 years. Okay, the forecast for the Cat Griz game this Saturday, starting at noon in Missoula, is mostly cloudy. Low of that day should be about 30 degrees in Missoula, shooting for a high of around 42. So that's actually perfect weather. However, there could be some rain or snow Friday night into Saturday morning, and I'll have much more on that part of the forecast as we look into the weekend weather pattern coming up in a few minutes.
All right, Mike.